My name is Matthew Baugh. I'm a pulmonary and critical care physician. I grew up in the western suburbs of Chicago. I've lived here most of my life. I went to medical school at Loyola University Chicago Stritch School of Medicine, and I went on to do an internal medicine residency, and I did my pulmonary and critical care fellowship at Loyola as well. So in my spare time, I like to run. I have ran a few marathons. I enjoy spending time with family. I enjoy sports. I like the Chicago Bears. What drew me to pulmonary and critical care medicine is that I became interested in the whole process of how people breathe. And I think we all take for granted that breathing is something that we do automatically, and for someone to have a lung disease that affects their ability to breathe, it's something they have to live with on an everyday basis. So if that's something that I can help to help someone breathe better and be able to carry on a more normal life, then I think I've done my job. I think I'm very good at listening to the patient. I like to sit down and really hear what the patient's concerns are, and I like to take it very logically and explain to patients what I think is going on and try to explain my thought process of how I arrived at that. And I think I like to give patients options of what we could do to help them feel better and have the patient engage with me in determining what is best for their care. So at DuPage Medical Group, we have a very strong thoracic oncology program where we work with different specialties between pulmonary medicine, oncologists, radiation oncologists, surgeons, and radiologists, where we work together as a team and we meet to discuss patients' care. And putting multiple doctors' brains together can really help determine what's going to be the best way to help take care of a patient. I often take care of patients in the hospital when they're very sick, and one of the most rewarding things is when that patient gets better from their illness, and I might see them come into my office in a few weeks and to see what a drastic change and what a difference that we've made in their life, and that's very rewarding.